What if I told you that right now, in 2026, ordinary people are making $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 every single month from machines sitting on their kitchen tables? According to industry data, over 15 million Americans currently run home-based businesses, and that number is growing at 7% every single year. The global sublimation printing equipment market alone is worth $2.7 billion as of 2025. The 3D printing market, it just crossed $34.85 billion in 2026 and is racing toward $152 billion by 2035. These are not hobbies. These are global industries. And the cheapest entry ticket is sitting in your Amazon cart right now. Today, we are breaking down 15 cheap mini machines that are generating real documented income in 2026. Let's go. The revolution. Why mini machines? Why now? 10 years ago, if you wanted to manufacture and sell a product, you needed a factory. You needed a warehouse, investors, and 6 figures in startup capital. That era is over. The rise of e-commerce, Etsy, Amazon Handmade, Shopify, has built a direct pipeline from your garage straight to millions of global buyers. And the machines powering those businesses have never been cheaper, smarter, or more compact. We're in the most democratized manufacturing revolution in human history, and the people cashing in are not corporations. They're individuals, just like you. Now let's break down all 15. We're covering cost, earning potential, and the real data behind each one. The 15 machines. Machine 1. Sublimation printer and entry cost, $200, $400. A sublimation printer fuses ink directly into polyester-coated surfaces using heat mugs, t-shirts, phone cases, mouse pads. Custom mugs sell on Etsy for $15, $35. Production cost, under $3. That's over 90% gross margin. The sublimation printing equipment market is growing at 6.3% annually through 2032, with North America emerging as the fastest growing region. This machine pays for itself on the weekend. Machine 2. Cricut Maker 4 on entry cost, $400, $500. Cricut is not a small player. As of 2025, Cricut reported over 3 million paid platform subscribers worldwide and $76.7 million in net income. That's the size of the ecosystem you're tapping into. With this cutting machine, you can produce vinyl decals, iron-on transfers, wedding signs, and personalized gifts. Home-based Cricut sellers consistently report $500 to $3,000 in monthly income through Etsy and local markets. Machine 3. Laser Engraver. Entry cost, $300, $800. Laser engravers use a focused light beam to etch designs onto wood, leather, acrylic, and metal, with precision measured in fractions of a millimeter. A home-based operator using a Glowforge Aura for custom wedding decor alone can earn $2,000+ per month. Industry financial models project laser engraving businesses can reach $441,000 in EBITDA in year 1 at scale, driven by gross margins that frequently exceed 80% per piece. Machine 4. 3D printer. Entry cost, $200, $500. The global 3D printing market is valued at $34.85 billion in 2026 and projected to hit $152 billion by 2035 at an 18% annual growth rate. Desktop FDM printers now hold the dominant 36.7% technology share of the market. At home, you print custom miniatures, phone accessories, and keychains. Selling 30 items per month at $30, $60 each generates $800 in net monthly profit. Machine 5. Heat press machine. Entry cost, $150, $300. Pair a heat press with a sublimation printer and you have a full custom apparel operation in your living room. A 5-in-1 press handles t-shirts, mugs, hats, and plates. Profit margins on custom apparel run 60, 80%. Machine 6. Vinyl cutter. Entry cost, $150, $350. Custom stickers, car decals, window graphics, and business signage. Stickers sell for $3, $10 each with a production cost under 50 cents. Machine 7. Mini vending machine. Entry cost, $400, $2,000. Pure passive income. With 3-5 machines placed in offices, laundromats, or barbershops, you can generate $500, $2,000 per month in hands-off revenue. Gashapon capsule toy machines start at $400 and can pull in hundreds of dollars monthly in high-foot traffic locations. Machine 8. Button badge maker. Entry cost, $50, $150. Don't underestimate this one. Custom buttons sell for $1, $3 each at concerts, school events, carnivals, and political campaigns. Operators running market tables report $200, $500 in a single weekend day. The investment is under $150, making this the fastest machine on this list to break even. Machine 9. Freeze dryer. Entry cost: $3,000, $5,000. Yes, it's the most expensive entry on this list. But freeze-dried candy is one of the most viral food trends of the last 2 years. Home operators are selling freeze-dried Skittles, gummies, and strawberries on Etsy and at farmers markets for $8, $20 per bag, with profit margins exceeding 70%. One documented Etsy seller reports $4,000+ in monthly revenue from a single machine. High cost, higher reward. Machine 10. DTF printer. Entry cost: $500, $1,500. DTF printing transfers full-color designs to virtually any fabric: cotton, nylon, polyester. Unlike sublimation, it works on dark and mixed material fabrics. Custom apparel businesses using DTF printers at local markets and online stores report clearing $2,000, $5,000 per month with consistent order flow. Machine 11. Mini CNC router. Entry cost: $200, $600. A desktop CNC router carves wood, acrylic, and soft metals with computer-guided precision. Custom wooden signs sell for $50, $150 each. Selling 10, 30 signs monthly generates $800, $3,000 in net profit. The handcrafted aesthetic commands premium pricing. Etsy buyers will pay top dollar for personalized home decor that feels artisan-made. Machine 12. UV resin printer. Entry cost: $300, $800. Resin printers create crystal-clear jewelry, keychains, and custom phone cases. Individual resin jewelry pieces sell for $15, $60 each with a materials cost of under $1. Etsy shops specializing in resin products regularly generate $1,500, $4,000 per month. Machine 13. Compact coffee vending machine. Entry cost: $800, $3,000. Place a compact espresso machine in a small office, co-working space, or waiting room. Fresh coffee sells for $1.50, $3.50 per cup. With consistent foot traffic, a single machine generates $20, $50 per day, up to $1,500 per month per machine, with minimal daily involvement. Machine 14. Foam cutting machine. Entry cost: $200, $400. Custom foam inserts for tool cases, cosplay props, camera equipment, and product packaging are in high and rising demand. B2B clients pay premium prices for precision-cut foam, and Etsy shops cutting custom inserts on order report $1,000, $3,000 monthly. Low competition. High niche specificity. A quiet gold mine. Machine 15. Embroidery machine. Entry cost: $300, $800. Custom embroidery on hats, jackets, and uniforms for local sports teams, restaurants, and corporate clients is a perennial moneymaker with near-zero fading trends. A single logo job runs $10, $30. Bulk uniform orders from a single corporate client can deliver $500, $2,000 in a single transaction. Home embroidery operators with consistent business relationships report $2,000, $5,000 monthly. How to choose the right machine. Before you click Add to Cart, here's the framework every successful operator follows. Step 1. Validate before you invest. Search Etsy for your product. Check Google Trends. Look at what is already selling in your area. Demand must exist before the machine arrives. Step 2. Start with one. Master it, then scale. The biggest mistake beginners make is buying 3 machines and mastering none. One machine. Maximum focus. Step 3. Know your true costs. A machine that costs $300 to buy may cost $100 per month in consumables, electricity, and platform fees. Run the real numbers. Profit lives in the margin between cost and price. Never lose sight of that. The entrepreneurs winning with these machines treat them as businesses, not hobbies. That distinction is everything. These machines share one goal: giving manufacturing power back to you. In 2026, you don't need a factory or a degree. Just the right machine, a solid market, and the discipline to show up. Which one are you starting with? Drop it in the comments. If you're ready to build, smash that like button and subscribe. We bring you the real ideas, data, and strategies to build wealth on your own terms every single week.